Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best magnetic bit holders. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Column Pro 20 Pieces Magnetic Bit Holder. Strong magnetic extension bit holder is made of high-quality S2 steel, and the sleeve is made of high-quality aluminum alloy. Wear-resistant, high-strength, hard, not easy to break, and not easy to damage. The drill seat has permanent magnets to ensure a secure fit of the drill seat. With super magnetic good adsorption, hold the drill bit and fasteners tightly. There is no trouble of dropping tools during the work. Column Pro Strong Magnetic Extension Bit Holder has a universal 1x4 hex shank for a variety of quick change chucks and hex tools, and is a good helper for daily tool use. 20 pieces 1x4 Strong Magnetic Extension Bit Holder are stored in a box. It can meet the needs of daily work. Column Pro is a store that regularly upgrades and optimizes products to present better products to customers. Number 7 in my list is NACO 11403A Magnetic Bit Holder. Each piece in this bit holder set has a 1x4-inch universal hex shaft for an easy fit on most drills. These bit extenders feature a precision design and high-quality construction and are corrosion and rust resistant. This versatile hex shaft bit extension set features bit holders in 3 sizes, 23 and 18, 4, and 6. The hex drive bit holders let you tackle big and small jobs with ease and precision. These bit extenders have powerful magnets that securely hold driver bits in place, so you can easily turn any drill into a powerful screwdriver, loosen or tighten screws with effortless exactness. Each piece in the NACO 11430A magnetic bit holder set is made from chrome vanadium steel with a black phosphate coating for ultimate durability and strength. Our hex bit holders feature a uniform single-piece construction for added durability. The single shaft design keeps drill bits secure to reduce wobble and ensure precision. Number 6 in my list is 5 pieces Strong Magnetic Bit Holder. Strong Magnetic Extension Bit Holder is made of high-quality S2 steel, and the sleeve is made of high-quality alloy steel. Corrosion resistance, wear-resistant, high-strength, durable, hard. The drill seat has permanent magnets to ensure a secure fit of the drill seat. With super magnetic good adsorption, hold the drill bit and fasteners tightly. There is no trouble of dropping tools during the work. Designed for 1x4 hex shank bits. Great for working with hard-to-reach screws. Strong magnet holds bits securely, and the magnet is located inside the alloy steel tube. Must-have accessory set for power drills and impact drivers. 1x4 hex shank bits. Great for working with hard-to-reach screws. Strong magnet holds bits securely, and the magnet is located inside the alloy steel tube. Must-have accessory set for power drills and impact drivers. For all kinds of quick change chucks and hex tools, it is a good helper for daily tool use. To a large extent, it can meet the needs of daily work. Unlimited uses in automotive, hardware, hobby, home, etc. 5 pieces 1x4 Strong Magnetic Extension Bit Holder are stored in a box. This product has a warranty period of 30 days from the date of purchase. If you have any questions, you can contact me at any time. We provide returns and exchanges for free. Number 5 in my list is Rocaris 10-pack Magnetic Bit Holder. Another awesome product to facilitate your task. This Rocaris magnet drill bit holder is made to securely complete your project. You can obviously use it anywhere. No matter if you are a pro or a noob, this bit holder is always there to help you. This bit holder is designed for 1x4 hex shank bits. This means this tool is compatible with most of the drill bits across the globe. That's why it's widely used in the automotive sector, hardware, or any industrial purpose. Of course, the hobbyists are not lagged behind. You can use it for your DIY projects or anything inside your home. If you're experienced enough, probably you've worked with workpieces that have spots hard to reach. How bad to deal with them? We know, but with this bit holder, no matter. This magnetic bit holder has a spectacular record to deal with hard-to-reach screws. With all of these cool aspects, this tool has grabbed the place of the most necessary accessories for power drills and impact drivers. Number 4 in my list is Makita B35097 Magnetic Bit Holder. Makita, a renowned tool giant, has brought another awesome addition into their arsenal. This time they've come up with a bit holder that uses a magnet to hold the bit and empowers any drill bit to function faster and safer. This tool features some incredible design intelligence. Altogether, it can be a good companion for serving the purpose. Let's begin with a special magnet. A rare but high-quality magnet is used to facilitate the task. They've used rare earth neodymium magnet to equip the tool. This type of magnet has a special feature. Guess what? They're considered twice as much strength as other magnets. It means you got the ability to work more securely and precisely. Okay, here comes the design into play. The design bit holder allows extreme torsion. Thanks to the extreme torsion technology, this magnet bit holder is designed to fit in the driver. With its flexible design, it can flex under load and thus can take the pressure of the bit tip. This technique is helpful for high torque applications and thus increases durability. To help the bit holder further, the two-piece design comes into play. This design allows the torsion technology to be fully activated. Besides, the premium quality steel is meant to use with impact drivers. All these exclusive features have made the bit holder fit for high torque impact drivers. Number 3 in my list is Bosch ITB HGC 201 Magnetic Bit Holder. If you're a regular user of high torque impact driver, then Bosch ITB HGC 201 is the most ideal magnetic bit holder you can get for your tools. This 2-inch component is built on an advanced design featuring an extended torsion zone that helps absorb the high torque that's common in new impact drivers. The efficient absorption of torque peaks reduces stress at the bit tip. It also features a machined tip that helps reduce cam out and breakage. Component durability is also enhanced by a heat-treated manufacturing process, which strengthens the entire unit. Overall, this holder promises 10 times more life compared to standard impact bits. Also, there's the high visibility sleeve, which features laser-etched marking for enhanced user convenience. Since this holder requires pulling back its sleeve to insert bit, it is a two-handed component that may sometimes slow you down. Number 2 in my list is NACO 00244, a magnetic bit holder. NACO 00244A is a premium magnetic bit holder set that offers the best value for your money. The set offers 4 high-performance bit holders and socket adapters for versatility. The set contains one 1x4-inch hex shank magnetic bit holder, which is designed to thrive in jobs that demand reaching into hard-to-reach spaces. The adapters have a Ditton ball design to ensure secure locking in the socket. You can count on the strength and durability of these holders thanks to their chrome vanadium steel construction, which has been heat-treated to boost dexterity. A black phosphate coating finish has been applied to these accessories to prevent rust and corrosion. Because this set offers 4 holders, it would have been great if NACO included a case to simplify storage and organization. Number 1 in my list is DeWalt DDOE 2054 Magnetic Bit Holder. Coming in first is DeWalt DDOE 2054, our best overall magnetic bit holder set. It contains 3 high-quality bit holders that are not only strong and durable, but also offer some great value for money. With this top-rated magnetic bit holder, you can forget about challenges such as screw wobbling and slipping. The holder's strong magnet boosts accuracy and precision, which makes it ideal for at-home applications such as hanging drywall. You get 3 3-inch drive guides, all of which fit the standard 1x4-inch hex shank, so they will fit on almost all of your impact drivers. Each of these accessories features a barrel-shaped, self-retracting guide sleeve, which not only keeps screws securely attached to the guide, but also ensures you can use the drill without touching the screw. We do wish, however, that a carry case would have been included to keep the set organized. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.